Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I'm calling to check in and thank you, everybody, for your comments. Thank you for the likes and shares. You're wonderful. And as everybody comes on, let me know where you're from. I'm always excited to know where everybody listens from. Hi, welcome. Leave a comment below. Yeah, I love you guys so much. I thank you for expanding this page beyond anything I'll ever consider, right? And we are in such a wonderful time. A time where we have opportunities to be the best we can be. And this page is just to provide you tools and my personal experiences. Hopefully you can get a few nuggets that you can use in your own life. Anyway, today our topic is what tools do you have in your toolbox that will help you with a glorious life? So in this case, what are the tools? Hi, what are the tools? The tools are the life lessons you're collecting through life. Life lessons can be painful sometimes, can be eye-opening, but those are what you need to take you to the next level. For example, if you were going to become maybe a motivational speaker, right? One of your main things would be overcoming fear of speaking, being able to deal with people, maybe many people, meaning you have to be open heart, open mind, patience, overcome all your personal blocks. Those are all tools that you need in your toolbox. In that process, there may be failure. Sometimes failure has gotten a bad rap, right? We think when you fail, oh, you're done, it's not working. No, the more you fail, the better. Because when you fail, you learn something. You pick up something that you can use. Hi, everybody. Welcome. Let me know where you're from. So all these tools will help you as you progress, and you'll get stronger the more tools you have. Don't be surprised when you acquire a tool, then you'll have to, a lesson may come back around so that you practice using all the tools you've collected in your toolbox. And no one in their clear mind will give you plenty of responsibility when you haven't mastered the bare basics, when you haven't overcome things like rejection and abandonment. These are things that you need to overcome in order to feel better. Hi, Nikki. Miss you too. Yeah, so these are all the tools that we need in order to have a victorious life. So in this lesson, we evaluate what are the tools you have in your toolbox, and when lessons come around, take them as gifts that you can use as you go on. So as always, this is Mother Eagle. I love you guys, and in my next few videos I'll be adding light language at the end of the videos. And most of you know I do write light language, which is called writing in tongues basically, and hopefully that will be a blessing for you. As always, love you. Leave all your comments below. I'll get back to you soon. Bye.